Hey, welcome to Good Enough Spanish, where you learn Spanish good enough to travel more, build more confidence, and get more out of life. Now today, we're going over the verb estar, the conjugations for the verb estar. Now, if you've been following my past videos, I previously did a video on the conjugation for its counterpart, which is ser. Remember that the verb to be in Spanish has two versions. A permanent version, more permanent version, and a more temporary version for temporary states like locations of things. And we're going over estar today. Okay? Conjugation. So follow me. This is good for beginners because you can't get around this verb. This is too important in the Spanish language or in any language, the verb to be, in order for you not to see how it is. Okay? So let's get started. So let's sit back and listen to the conjugation real quick to get it in your ear. So it's yo estoy. Tú estás. Usted, él, ella está. Nosotros estamos. And then it's ustedes, ellos, ellas están. All right, now your eyes might be rolling or whatever right now. Just follow me. I got you. I got you. So check this out. Let me get my black marker. Negro. Black. Negro. Okay. So, yo, which is I. Yo. Estoy. And it is hot in this room, so look. I'm gonna turn on the fan a little bit because it's hot. This lesson ain't going down if I can't breathe, all right? All right. Sorry about a little bit of noise, but I gotta stay pretty. So where was I? Yo estoy. Tú estás. And that is an accent mark. It matters. Because if I didn't have an accent mark, what? Then this would be your. Tú estás. Accent mark over that A. Estás. Then we have usted, él, ella está. Él. That's a little slash right there. I'm just separating. Ella está. Okay? And yeah, that is the accent over the A. Okay? Usted is another form of you, the formal form of you in Spanish. They have an informal you and a formal you. Just how it is. Hey, don't get mad at me. I ain't make the language. Okay? I'm just letting you know. Don't hate the player, hate the game. And don't hate that either because you don't want to do that. Love the game. Okay? Help you learn better. Okay? Now, él, he, and she está. Now, nosotros estamos. Nosotros estamos. We are. You know? Oh. E-R-O-S. Say it with me in Spanish. N-O-S-O-T-R-O-S. N-O-S-O-T-R-O-S. I ain't got time to go over the alphabet today. I got a video on that. Roll back. I even got a song on that. Roll back in my video catalog and you'll find it. But just follow me right now. Just follow me. So nosotros estamos. My writing clear enough. You can see that. Nosotros estamos. That means we are. Okay. Then ustedes, ellos, ellas están. Getting low, getting low. Ustedes, ellos, that's just a slash. Ellas, It's taking up my board. Están. You see that? You should see that. So that is ustedes. That is, if you went over my last video, you should remember this. No, ustedes means you all. Okay? Using Latin American Spanish, which my channel focuses on so on. Ustedes, you all. It could be mixed, group, whatever. You all. Kind of think of it like you guys. Like, you guys, we're not really saying you guys. It could be some girls mixed up in there. Hey, you guys want to go to the movies? Same thing. You all or y'all, like they say in the South. Ellos is they, an all-male group, and ellas is they, an all-female group. Then we have están. Okay? E-S-T-A with an accent over that A, N. I know you might be able to barely see it here, so that's why I'm repeating it out on this one. A-S-A-T-A with an accent over the A in it. Now, get my red marker, roja, roja. All right. In an upcoming video, I'm gonna teach you how to fake roll your R's too. You don't have to be no high roller. All you need to know how to do is fake roll your R's, and that'll get you a long way in the Spanish speaking world. Yep. All right, so what was yo again? Yo, I. Yo, I. Okay? I. Yo estoy. So, a simple example of that. Now, these are the subject pronouns, the yo, tu, and usted, and things like that. Oftentimes in Spanish, if it is already implied or known to whom you are speaking to or about, then you do not need to say the subject pronouns, the yo, estoy, because in the conjugated verb, it is already wrapped up in which person you're talking about. Okay? So the yo estoy, that's the first person. I, first person. You are the second person. Then somebody else who steps into the business, they come in the room. He, she, it, whatever. They bounce in the room. That's a third party. Okay? Third person. Okay? So this is first person singular, second person singular, third person singular. Then we go down here. First person plural, second person plural, third person plural. Okay, so let's go back up here. Yo estoy. Simple example would be, estoy en casa. Estoy en casa. I'm at home. But see, that's a temporary form of estar because it can change. It's temporary. Like I can be at home right now, but I ain't gonna stay at home forever. I might be at the mall later. See? So, temporary state. That's why we use the estar version of to be rather than the more permanent version of to be, which is ser. Okay. Back on the start. Keep up. Quit playing with your phone. We talking serious business here. You want to learn Spanish or what? Because you come in my house, you're going to learn some Spanish. All right. Then we have two estás. Now, let me underline the conjugations. I think that'll let you follow, because the whole focus is conjugations today. I got another video on subject pronouns. You can go back in the catalog for that. Got a lot of more for you. A lot to learn in Spanish. Let me turn the fan off right now. I got a little cool. If I need to turn it back on, I'm gonna turn it back on, okay? I'm sure you can hear me. If you can't, drop me a comment, let me know. Also, if you're enjoying the lesson today, hit the like button, drop a comment, all that good stuff, because this helps the channel keep going. And it helps bring this video and more content to more people who need it, more people out there who need and want to learn Spanish. And so yo estoy, that's the conjugation. We're gonna underline this conjugation. Tú estás. So, example, simple example today. Estás en casa. Estás en casa. You're at home. But you're at home now. But knowing how you are, later on, you ain't gonna be at home. You could be somewhere like a restaurant or the mall later. So, estás en casa. You're at home now. Now, usted, él, ella, está. Okay? Now, usted, again, that's the formal version of you. Somebody you want to show more respect to, or older person. Él, ella, he or she. Okay? Está. That's that third party step in third party singular. It's not me and you anymore. It's a third party coming into the room, to the business. Okay? So, está en casa. Está en casa. Same example. He or she is at home. Now, if we were in a conversation, you already knew the context of who I was talking about, to whom I was referring this to, you would already, I don't need to break down he or she, you already know. But if you didn't know, I may say, él está en casa. So if you say, where James at? ¿Dónde está Hannes? Now I can say, está en casa, because you already know I'm talking about James, who is a dude. So I don't have to say, él está en casa. I can just say, está en casa, and you already know what it is. Or you can say, where's Stephanie? ¿Dónde está Stephanie? Okay? ¿Dónde está Stephanie? Okay, look. You already know, it's already implied that you already know we talking about Stephanie, so I can say, está en casa. She's at home. But if you didn't know who I was talking about, I might say, ella está en casa, to make it more understood, or I could say her name, está en casa. You know what I'm saying. But we're going to keep it simple here. Está en casa. She's at home. I need that fan again. Woo! Turn it down. Okay, now, nosotros estamos. Now we back to the first person, but it's first person plural. It's not I anymore. Now we're a unit. It's we. So I can just say, estamos en casa. We're at home. You getting it? Cool. Give me a like, subscribe, share it. Scream it to the mountaintop, because it's going down here at Good Enough Spanish. And by the way, if you are a beginner and you want to get on the fast track to learning Spanish, hey, let me tell you, you can learn Spanish anywhere, eventually. But if you want to learn Spanish fast, then you need Spanish in 21 days. Link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. Back to the lesson. Ustedes están, ellos están, ellas están. Ustedes en casa. You guys at home. Y'all at home. Whatever you want to, whatever, make it stick in your head. Whatever works. That's all you need to know. Ellos están. They're at home. This is an all-male group. Or, if you've been going through my last lesson, it can be a mixed group. Even with one male in there, it defaults back to the male form, ellos. Okay, hey, just how it is in Spanish. I didn't make the rules. Now, ellas están. Ellas están. Ellas están en casa. That's our simple little sample sentence today. Ellas están en casa. They're at home. Okay? They're, meaning an all-female group, they're at home. Yeah, I'm pointing over there because it's them. It ain't me and you anymore. It ain't us and y'all anymore. It's they, that third party. So when I point like that and look away from the camera, it's a third party that's stepping into the business. Okay? So ellas están en casa. They're at home. Okay? So that's the way the conjugation for the verb estar to work. And that's all you need to know right now, because you don't want to get overwhelmed with Spanish. You want to take it bit by bit, day by day, moment by moment, and soon you will be on it. So if you got value out of this video, do me a favor and reach out and smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe, because you don't want to miss a thing. And until next time, remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.